In this video, I'll show you how to do a January homemade threader. Super simple, super easy. And you see, we can thread the machine very simply. We're only going to need some kind of sheet, the very thin plastic, some scissors or a cutter, and that's it. Well, as you can see, we need a plastic bottle, a plastic that is rather thin. We will cut a piece depending on the part that you will hold as you like. It's up to each one. We cut the piece. Now we will make the thin part. Let us enjoy our garden like this on one side, which is where it's going to embed on the capo. And here we do the handle however you like it, to your taste. Here we have it. Now let's check that yes, if it gets into the needle, remember, if it's too thick, it won't fit. Fits in perfectly. Now let's get to it. To start off the thread, we'll take our scissors and go depending on where you want it. The thread entry can be on this part in the middle, and it must be very precise, a very slight small cut. And then to the other side, we have an entrance left, and now we go to our machine and we will pass it through the hole. We take the thread, we insert it into the notch we made, give it a sustain, and pass it to the other side. Prayer hands emoji. Look how easily we thread it. Depending on the side, you thread the needle, our sewing machine, and you use the homemade threader, which is very simple to do and very effective when threading our machine. Remember, friends, if you like this video, support me with a like when I like, subscribe to the channel, and see you in the next video.